Hello guys, it's me once again. I'm back. I've been out for a couple of days and back to reality again. Gonna make another video again today and hope you guys gonna watch this. Remember these days that I have issues with my car, the service engine notification on my dashboard that cannot be erased. Finally, it's done. It's done and clean. That service engine notification was generated because somebody stole my catalytic converter. And there's a workmanship issue. And finally, it has been fixed, and the notification was removed, or it's no longer there on my dashboard. It's kind of annoying, but I have to spend a little bit of money to have the dealer fix what needs to be done. Oxygen sensor on the catalytic converter side has been replaced with the original equipment manufacturer products, and I brought it in the dealer and they found another issue. The oxygen sensor that's connected to the main, which is on the engine side, got damaged also. After that one got fixed or got replaced, everything is fine now. My mileage went up based to the original car specification, and right now I can reach whatever it's been called out before. I think I've reached like 32 miles a gallon, which is that's what I'm expecting. But before, when that oxygen sensor was not fixed, sometimes I can reach like 22 miles a gallon. My biggest problem is I cannot overtake the gas station all the time. I'm always stopped at the gas station to have it filled up. So anyway, that problem is already solved. So watch this video up to the end and I'll show you what was the previous issue with that oxygen sensor. Anyway guys, I'm happy to be back again. Everything is under control now. Physically, emotionally, I'm in stable condition. So, to all my families and my friends who are the people that stayed behind my back and supported me during these rough times, thank you very much. I know you guys understand my situation. So, anyway, I'm happy to be back again here. We're gonna enjoy and making up again another video. So, watch this video up to the end. I am here in the parking lot and taking this video. What is shown on my dashboard? As you can see, it says service engine zone. Okay? Service engine zone. That means it needs to be serviced, right? But in reality, when I bring this on the car dealership and have it serviced, and they found out something. So watch this whole video and I will tell you what is really the problem behind this service engine zoom notification in the dashboard, okay? This is where all started when somebody stole my catalytic converter and that notification popped up in my dashboard. I brought it in the shop and the shop replaced it with not the right parts and the Mickey Mouse the connection using the electrical tape. That's all it started, and that service engine notification cannot be deleted. After I brought it in the dealer and to have it diagnosed correctly and check the real issue about my vehicle, and finally they found out that the main oxygen sensor, which is connected to the body itself, it needs to be replaced. The cost is very expensive. It's like double in comparison to the price before the pandemic. Cost me a lot, but I'm happy and I'm not irritated anymore with that notifications that say service engine soon on my dashboard. So I'm happy to be back and to get the mileage per gallon on my car. That's all for my video for today. In couple of days probably I'm gonna make some more videos. So anyway guys, thank you for your support and be safe. You guys have a wonderful day. Alright? You can just relax our mind and be happy always. Have a good day everyone, and see you on my next posting again. Alright. By the way, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you don't mind. Again, thank you very much everyone.